Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Kraken as a pro. First, familiarize yourself with the Kraken Pro interface, which offers a comprehensive view of market activity. Navigate through the various sections to understand where to place orders, view your portfolio, and access advanced charting. This foundational step is crucial for efficient trading, allowing you to quickly execute trades and monitor your positions with confidence and precision. To trade like a pro, mastering advanced order types is essential. Limit orders allow you to buy or sell at a specific price or better, giving you control. Stop-loss orders are vital for risk management, automatically closing a position if the price moves against you by a predetermined amount. Conversely, take-profit orders ensure you lock in gains once your target price is reached, automating your exit strategy for optimal returns. Leveraging Kraken's analytical tools is key to informed decisions. Dive into candlestick charts to identify price patterns and trends, using indicators like moving averages or RSI for deeper insights. The depth chart provides a visual representation of buy and sell orders, helping you understand market liquidity and potential support or resistance levels. Setting up price alerts ensures you never miss a critical market movement, keeping you ahead of the curve. Effective risk management is paramount for sustained success. Diversify your portfolio across various assets to spread risk, never putting all your eggs in one basket. Always define a clear risk-reward ratio before entering any trade, aiming for at least a 1-to-2 ratio. Finally, prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication and use unique, strong passwords to protect your assets from unauthorized access, ensuring your trading journey remains secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.